If you're an engineer, you've got the 4 things you really need to pay attention to. Who am I and why should you care? I'm Kevin Hoover from AmeriWind. We've made over 1,000 HVLS fans, and a lot of those went into places where they need to use sprinklers, so we became familiar with this over time. So there's 4 things you should know. The first one, the diameter of the fan. Max diameter is 24 feet. Diameter, because the tests they did back in 2008 and in the 2000s, the biggest one they did was 24 feet. So the spec stops at 24 feet. And the second thing you should know, keep the fans centered between the 4 sprinkler heads. Third one, keep it 3 foot below the sprinkler head. It was going through my mind though, if they're really far apart, you could have the fan up in, but it still says a 3 foot differential. It don't say below or above, it just says a 3 foot vertical offset. The fourth thing, the fans should be interlocked. This is probably the biggest thing. So keep the fans interlocked so they shut down when the alarm goes off. Our fans all have that ability. It's pretty basic. The VFD input, tie a dry contact in there and shut her down as soon as the alarm is on. And then what they found, they referenced their study in here. Basically, when it all boiled down to, the fans make no difference with sprinklers, except if you turn the fans off, less stuff burns. Basic thing. When the building catches on fire, turn the fans off so it don't burn as much. So there, you've heard the 4 things and the study results behind it. In the link, we'll have the papers where it mentions HVLS fans at both places in the study and what you need to do about it. So thank you for watching. If you're in the need, if you're speccing HVLS fans, check out our website. It don't have everything, so if you've got questions, just give us a call and we'll get the documents over to you. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching.